To determine which stocks are best to buy, it's essential to define your investment goals. Whether it's long-term growth, short-term gains, or passive income through dividends. Set clear goals, including how much you're willing to invest and for how long. Next, research stocks using reliable resources and tools. Analyzing a company's fundamentals, such as revenue and profitability, and checking their earning reports to see if the company is growing. It's also crucial to check the debt level and compare the price-to-earnings ratio with the industry average to determine if a stock is overvalued or undervalued. Additionally, consider dividend yields if you're interested in passive income. After analyzing a company's fundamentals, study market trends and news, and stay updated on the industry's growth. Analyze competitors to ensure the company is a leader in its field. Utilize available tools, such as popular lists and analyst ratings, to inform your investment decisions. Diversifying your portfolio is also vital, as it helps reduce risk by spreading investments across multiple industries, such as tech, healthcare, and energy. This way, if one industry experiences losses, you won't lose all your money. There are several investment strategies to consider, including long-term investment, growth stocks, dividend investing, value investing, and index funds or ETFs. Long-term investment involves looking for companies with strong growth potential, while dividend investing focuses on reliable dividend payouts. Value investing involves finding undervalued stocks by analyzing financial metrics, and index funds or ETFs provide diversification and stability. When selecting a strategy, it's possible to use one or multiple approaches simultaneously. For example, you can focus on long-term investing in growth stocks while also using value investing. To minimize risk, consider investing in index funds or ETFs. Once you've chosen a strategy, start with a small investment and monitor its performance, gradually increasing your investment as you gain confidence. Regularly track your portfolio's performance and stay educated by following financial news updates.